Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. Today we're going to be doing some more alphabet art. We're going to be doing...
We forgot all about them.
Well, it's been a while, but we had company and it's been really busy with school. So,
Yep.
But we're getting back at it. We're going to do some more alphabet art. We're going to do the letter L.
L.
Good job. All right, we're going to do the little saying that helps us remember. Ready, set, go. Big L, little L. What begins with L? Lion, ladybug, lollipop. L, L, L. All right, let's get started.
Yeah!
Start with our lion. Okay, his nose goes like this. And then it comes together kind of in a triangle shape, but like a skinny triangle. And then it comes down.
They're skinny.
And then we're gonna not do a smile. We're just gonna go do a straight line.
Aww.
And then you can do two little tiny.
It's mine.
Okay, you can make your smile if you want. And then polka dots, or where the whiskers are. And then one more little line right down there.
I want mine to be a girl.
Okay, well then you won't have a mane on yours. The girls don't have manes.
That's fine with me.
Okay. All right, and then there's a little diagonal line going back here and a diagonal line going back here. And yeah, this is going to be filled in. Did you already fill yours in? I can't see past here. We need to fill in the nose, okay?
Oopsie.
All right, and now the eyes. I'm just going to draw an oval here and an oval here. And then you can draw the eyebrows like this.
I did eyelashes.
Oh, okay, and then the eyebrows are there.
I don't want to do eyebrows.
Okay, now a curved line right here.
Okay, with this too.
And then ears here and here. And then it's going to come down and then in, and then curve under and over here and back up. And you can put little lines in the ears. There you go. All right, and then for a boy lion, he's got quite the mane.
I do.
You do these curvy lines. Some are
Whiskers.
smaller, some are bigger. And it just goes all
Can I
around.
do whiskers?
Uh-huh. And it gets a little bit longer down here. And curves it.
Mine is sticky out.
Oh, that's a cute girl lion. I love it.
Can
All
I
right.
do like this?
So let me just finish my mane and then I can look. Hold on.
Look.
Oh, cute. Here's just the queen.
No, that's just a little
Oh,
top of
I thought
it.
it was the crown. It looks like
Okay.
Mine's the king of the jungle and yours is the queen.
Can you do a crown?
His mane is like his crown.
No, like
Oh, okay, I'll do a crown. There's his crown. And little circles on the top. They're married. All right, so that's a lion. That starts with L.
okay. Now a ladybug. I know how.
You do? Yep, you do a circle. And then what goes on the top of the circle? The head. Look, did you do the head?
I want to do a dog.
Oh, you're doing the dots first? All right, so right up here, we fill in this half circle where the head is. Then you can do little antennae coming out. Like that. Look, curlies. And then the ladybug has 6 feet. So you can just do a line out and then a little line down. And so,
Is this 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
well, you did them all on the same side. They go on either side. But you can just have a ladybug with extra legs. That's fine.
Wait.
You just leave it. That's fine. Your
I want that-
ladybug has extra legs.
I want this to be a little tail
Oh, okay.
that nobody can see.
Okay. All right, so yeah, 3 on this side and 3 on this
1,
side equals 6.
2.
Now I'll do my polka dots.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait. I just wanted
Yours just like a
to-
spider ladybug.
I don't want mine to be big.
Oh, okay, it's not.
Big.
Cool. All right, have I done enough polka dots, you think?
Yeah. Enough.
Okay.
Enough.
Oh, and what's this? I'm going to start with the curl for the lollipop. So you start in the middle.
I'm already doing the curl now.
You go around.
Done.
And around. And around. And then eventually you got to let off. And you can do one more if you want. I'm going to do one more.
I'm going to do one more giant one.
And this is a lollipop. And when you color it, you can do like rainbow colors in it.
Yeah.
And there's the stick.
I'm going to do like red, orange, yellow, green, blue.
Cool.
You can't really see the blue.
All right, now the letter L is a long line. And then a line that comes
It's
out
too
this way.
easy.
It is easy. And then the L, the little L is the easiest. It's just a line.
It's just like an eye.
And then if we want to turn it into a block letter, we just turn it into a rectangle. Huh. And then for the big L, you can do that too. Turn it into a block letter.
I want to write the letters.
Okay, this is how you write lion. L,
L,
I,
I,
O,
O,
N.
N,
Okay, ladybug is L,
L,
A,
A. Wait, A.
because we're writing lady, so Lady. And then B, so this is the next word, B, U, G. All right, and then lollipop is L.
Whoa, that's a long word.
It is kind of long. L, O,
L.
yeah,
But Mom.
L,
O.
O,
L. O.
and then two L's, L, L,
L. L.
I,
I.
and then pop, P, O, P, pop.
P. O. P.
Whew, barely fit.
Barely fit.
All right, let's color it. Thank you so much for drawing with us. We hope you had fun drawing things that start with the letter L. And join us next time when we draw things that start with the letter M.
Bye.
Bye.